same rules. The rules have to apply to every man, woman, and child. It cannot be just for the rich or for the poor. If it is, there's gonna be war. I'm showing that when you oppress the people, all we gonna do is blow up in their face. You put gasoline in the bottle, put a match to it, it's gonna blow up. A whole bunch of glass gonna spread. It's gonna be blood everywhere. It's gonna be bad. Shoes and the victims. We don't want that. We don't want that. That's why we're rapping and we're not in the bushes sniping motherfuckers. And that's what thug life is all about. I'm thinking about better days. Time to put the lights down. Look how we live. Smoking weed. It ain't no sense. Kids wanna try that. Then lock down and get ran through. Nobody watches them talking. They even ran through. Face with the demons just they hear the victim screaming. That's what the evil says. While it can curse scenes. Even our birthdays is curse days. I'm thugging the first place. Worst man. I'm not see the fucking beats. With no more dealers and crooked cops. Only way to stop the beats. And only we can change. It's up to us to clean up the streets. It ain't the same. Too many birds. Too many funerals and too many tears. To see another brother glory plus the years. That's why it's family. But what can I say? Keep your head up and try to keep the faith. Wait for better I'm distressing, some say the ghetto sick and corrupt. That's my people won't let me hang with the brothers I grew up with. Trying to keep my head up and stay strong. All my homies slinging here, yo, all day long. With big bombs, so I'm so low and so broke. Saving up for some joys, cause they don't. I got a girl and I love her, she broke too. I can't take her to the place she gon' go. So we all play fight all day and night, making passionate love to the daylight. Sweet moms ain't thinking, can't pay the rent. It's time to see who really is. Tell me you bread and lemonade. So many blessings while we stressing, looking for the better days. And I wonder how we ever came to this. I miss the better. worst nightmare. I am what you made me, J. Nemo. The hate and the evil that you gave me. And even more alarming is the fact that we are not fighting now. This is the visual poetry power of distance. Rocking the most of the motherfuckers for the ditches. Touching the heavens, we think the feathers to the sky. Give us the ground, looking when I die. Our one day is heavy, got to get us for child niggas. Just be like that, stop the drug dealers. Listen, I'm practicing so I can be a player. Overdose of the dick, watch over it when I lay a pistol. In the six, but being petrified, ladies. Expecting the game, praying for the fuckers for the pain. Going the same at the time, with the turn. Shall I fear? But can't see it for me, nigga, I ain't happy here. I hope they bury me and send me to my breast. Hairline, freedom, murder, death. It's my last breath. Take a little picture, click on his last stand. Motherfuckers stand the same. If I die, I'm not know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but if it's one thing, I'm J. I hope they bury me and send me to my breast. Hairline, freedom, murder, death. Don't know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but if it's one thing, I'm J. I hope they bury me and send me to my rest. Airlines, me to murder to death. This is the battle, that's the part. When I keep the box with this truck when they done. Now I'm the goal and I think they're like the fucking goals. He got it by chemistry, I'm the power being boss. Revenge is the measure, but never stop it. Keep the weapon from after sevens, I hold the bucks over deadly notes. Just niggas and broke bitches with back chairs. Hit the block, they fill your pockets making black chairs. It's a perfection, but you don't know real cash. Reasons of this for all the pussy that I'm blasting. Running the criminals and the vigilance with no reward. Try to stop me up with my eyes and daddy for. With my brain, know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but different brain in the plain change. I'm seeing cemetery photos on my beers. Conversating all they skiing here. With my body, I'm not know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but different brain in the plain change. I hope they bury me and send me to my best airline. Freedom, murder, death. With my brain, know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but different brain in the plain change. I hope they bury me and send me to my best airlines. Freedom, murder, death. This is the visual poetry power of distance. Locking the murder with motherfuckers for the ditches. Picture the bitch, fuck niggas can complete. Fuck the beaters, I position myself to climb cheese. My enemies left in suicidal situations. Never a witness the wicked shit that they was facing. I put this back for president, pursue your bitches. Evading the player, hating shit while hitting switches. Bitches is bad mouth, it's calling all sisters. We're charging her, we hate to the sun. The super psychotic society, somebody save me. Addicted to drama, don't even run up and raisins. Even the picture and all my creatures couldn't reach me. I run on the streets and fucking weed with my beats. I'm driving the cop, I hit the weed as I'm clutching my Glock. Niggas is hot when I hit the block. And if I die, I'm not know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but different brain in the plain change. I hope they bury me and send me to my best airline. Freedom, murder, death. With my brain, know I can think about a snake. It's not my name, but different brain in the plain change. I hope they bury me and send me to my best airlines. Freedom, murder, death. Yeah, you know what the fuck this is. Open your motherfucking ears. Pay attention. You in the mix of my homeboy, DJ Nemo. Shot, I'm on the cross, I'm on the swole and clean, son. They don't get the green time. And as the years go by, they forgot about the school soldiers on the block. That is the way to know. I got my two still get a fuck. I did it since you. Doing dirty this shit. And I won't make my money. You don't hear it sell. That is the way to know. I got my two still get a fuck. I did it since you. Doing dirty this shit. And I won't make my money. You don't hear it sell. No, baby, I don't even look at this. The whole baby cold, cause it's serious. Until I'm swole out. They don't believe the word. Motivate them. As soon as I can free them, get the 5 months. They ask me if I change. That's all it is. But no one ever say. It's all asking questions off my room. Making the balls off my room. Wait a minute, home. Make it up to the balls of your doors. Hold up. Back to the home. I close them, I can get for me. It's all my shit. I'm gonna find a track. Nigga. Don't you know that? Better to break the knock. I'm super still get a walk. I'm in a situation. My niggas let me bitch. Now I'm making my money. You don't ever sell. Do you good? Better to break the knock. I'm super still get a walk. I'm in a situation. My niggas let me bitch. Now I'm making my money. You don't ever sell. You know what I mean? I'm alive. Real motherfuckers, you some young bitches know how it is to be a real motherfucker. G, you did that real, yes, man. That's what you're breaking up. I'm kind of super still get a fuck. I'm in a situation. My niggas let me bitch. Now I'm making my money. You don't ever sell. Don't you good, huh? That's what you're breaking up. I'm kind of super still get a fuck. I'm in a situation. My niggas let me bitch. Now I'm making my money. You don't ever sell. The movie sounds crazy. They said that, you right, and I'm like, no, way right, this is happening, I'm paying for families, I couldn't do it, feel me? Flashback, nice. the only DJ that can call me constantly on. My 5-hour keep me warm, trapped in the storm. I cut the world for the dawn, bitches be born. Born is born, you get drawn. Bustin' on Giuliani, you up in my niggas wrong. And then it's on, before I leave, bitch in need. I'm spitting that rock, bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set, niggas over me, you can get fed. Make these jealous niggas mad, I said. This thug life, nigga, we don't cater to you hoes. Fuck with me, never really motherfuckers that choked up with no clothes. That I was working with the devil, don't remember how it feels. I swear that I was let it smell. Looked me right into my eye, told me everything I wanted could be mine if I gave up in the side of the cell. But I said I'd rather die than get mine now I'm here. Don't fear one man, but story to tell. Dear God, where was you when I needed it? When I fucked up. It's like the book that they've been judging by a cover. I remember telling you my goals and my dreams, but you didn't even ask, so I get to believe it. I remember standing with a gun to my head trying to ask you. I don't wanna live, I think that's spirituality. I don't want church, I can call family. I don't wanna do my sins to another sinner just because you really with some academy. I don't wanna read it in the book, I wanna hear you. I don't wanna word it in my speech, because I the truth. I wanna support it, I wanna fucking you read it. How do I take this darkness and turn it into light? How do I believe in the consequences to a man I've never seen with my own two eyes? How do I know that religion wasn't made just to separate the people creative guys just to keep us in these dreams while the rich get put you in the poor play that you perpetually lie? How do I know it's some big joke? How do I face when there is no hope? How the hell is one man that was $100 billion and we still have people on the street that will come? There's a lot of things I want to talk about and get on my chest. I can't sleep because the devil won't let me rest. I used to know the pastor in the church and I can still hear screams because I can't do a fucking molest. I'm supposed to fear you, but you ain't said shit, so maybe I don't know the answer, I just wanna see it clearly. So some shit about it, you know what I mean? Nigga, I'm trying to teach you. The sex talk, place that I got her. Then the buses, damn, I'm trapped in the living hell. I'm still in jail. Don't you maintain composure. Send the white to the day. Do a day love, let's keep up love. From the making to in my jaw, and in my heart, there's a wish. Never to tell you my popped out, and I'm the $1 million to getting out. Why y'all all know me? Dropping off, know me, still on here. I'm trying to teach you. If you ain't there, if you know you need to say something to love you. Daily dose to my areas, cause I'm in that victory game. I help you survive. Days I slay my rage, so building with the game. Golden the farm six for my niggas. Now my daughter, they got me feeling for my real when you breathe. Get at your daughter, kill your wife and get the Betty just who gave the order. Like a order to the door. I maintain all lunatics. My people remember as a pain nigga. To the grave. I feel like I'm doing. Give me a positive. I remember. I remember. Big Papa don't mean that to me. No, that's why you so you can imagine. He out there living the mafia lifestyle. You know money. You know tribute. Roll with my roll ball. When I got shot. I mean, come on, man. I'm not paranoid. I'm not paranoid. A lot of niggas know what's happening. Yeah, I mean, East Coast drug dealers got some. miracles with tempos. Instrumental, written for the nymphos. That's the intro shit. When you rush me, boy, I'ma touch me, why? Do you wanna fuck me? Just cause I'm hating the worst way through. Looking kinda good in the birthday suit. I wonder if you rally your ass out. Do you like to be on top or the back side? Watch when you lick your hip, set your hip. Damn, I love that shit. So let's stop thinking we do that. Got a room and a heart on feel that. Make sure that I'm off on the back room. Say you wanna see me swallow my back room. When you hit it from behind, I'm back right. Won't show you when I'm behind, I'm back right. What you talking about? How long will it take to wait for you up? Hey, baby, little people come. How long will it take to wait for you up? Baby, you want me, boy, what's wrong? From the back from the top, I'm feeling like blood. You don't get no fun, you wanna fuck with me, just be my car. Never had sex with a bitch like that. I'm like, I don't know, I'm on the move, I'm just proud of you. I'll never get to say what you need. Step on you, I know. All you alone, gotta pop up for the number that's phone. Top up on the book for the thing on your phone. I have fun, so baby, gotta leave me alone. Just know what I take time, so we ride me. Yeah, we know what's up, man. Give me around, man. Give me around, it's time, let me out, love, man. Baby, let me give you a call. How long will it take to make you up? Baby, let me give you a call. How long will it take to make you up? my mind straight, sipping on the 6 feet, waiting for a time to break. Shut up the motherfuckers down, they don't recognize. West side, death row, out on cars. Mr. Back, now no back, roll up the block, selling president's jackets. After fucking roll the thugs and double killers, they let it all break. Then escaping and fall, who wanna see me solo? Get back and back while he freezes. How many 14 more niggas while he freezes? Crazy bass out, ace with the down, come up out in my bath house. Niggas is under me, and bitches come to me. They know the super quick and now they wanna really see. Fuck my mama, it's really guaranteed. Never my enemy can jump. First my mama, it's really guaranteed. Crazy as hell. Catch like a belly while he's sleeping. My many 14, all the niggas west side, death row. First my mama, it's really guaranteed. Crazy as hell. My many 14, all the niggas while he's sleeping. West side, death row. Like a belly while he's sleeping. They got me. Yeah, they shot me. Really got us. Hard, I got him. Swear to God, yeah, with easy peace, right? No, yeah, right. Words are anesthetics. Bottoms are keeping worked out faster than calisthenics. I'm full of proof. I'm on the man's roof. Hands on the front of your face. Playing it through. Feel me? It's West Coast, nigga. Fuck me, though. And everybody now I'm a blast. Niggas my motto is really guaranteed. Crazy, while he's how many 14 niggas west side, death row. My motto is really guaranteed. 5 times drop me. My many 14 niggas right there. West side, death row. Like a while he's who shot me? Who shot me? Who shot y'all? Fat motherfucker, look at your beef. I can't fuck you. Nigga, I hit him up. Nigga, I hit him up. Fuck him, we bad boy killer. They turn him out. First don't fuck your bitch and then click your clap. That's not what we got. We can't. Fuck your body. They want me to fuck my life. They tryna see me with the fuck my Ricky. Ricky's supposed to do it rock. It's a long ass bitches. We keep on running. We running through your cruise.
Watch your back,
everybody know it's fuck. I'm that man. I hope, you know what I'm saying? Down in the I'm just that like, everybody knows what the deal is. Everybody knows the type of motherfuckers who want to get down with me, they don't want to see me good, all the stuff like this, I'm trying to lose.
Vice President Dan Quayle demanded that such music be removed from record stores. Putting out and distributing a record and making money off the record that says it's okay to kill cops. I'm talking about it.
Soaking up the game. on some new shit, so better get a Tuesday I die. Motherfuckers still bomb rappers since a nigga. Niggas hit 'em up, west side, ain't nobody niggas try to black raw hair, nah, nigga teach shit. For all my homies in the pen, nigga peers dead, nigga still more. We remain. You can bring your crew, but we remain till the day I die. They done did it like a dog got the key. Fat asses, fat money bags of cash and till the day I die, you can bring it. Everybody wanna see us dead. You know it on the front page, shot the death bullets to their head. Niggas held out my name in a similar way. Motherfuckers know I'm coming, so they run into their gates. Watch. Give me your police. I thought with hope. Get this money to exchange. Nigga, till the day I die. Till the day I die. I don't know what I'm talking about. That's a small time. It's the big time drug. That's my own boy. I'm taking over drop left. I love my niggas. We ain't shit, but I'm my own boy. Now he turn around. Tell my niggas got to pull in the tax. But like some kid, I feel like you don't know how to act. And when you want that stuff on creep out on the streets, you don't know if you think it's a goddamn shit. Somebody sweat while they in the back of the grown man's head. Get that ass out the plane. Really get to that kid. The boys get sleeping in the back. All with the mask, nigga, the mask. If you first blast, go on the mask. Trying to be the first cash. My shit fast. Like my nigga Nate. Get the people next in the make me do. Money made me evil. Cases got me stressed. Niggas ain't let my head. I still with my best. I give a fuck, motherfucker, so look, they all jumped up on my gun smoke. You ain't shit without your whole boy. You run out of sight, fuck. I give a fuck, without your whole boy. You get the first to reach me, truck. Scary niggas, you ain't shit without your whole boy. Nigga, come on, fuck. You ain't shit without your whole boy. Throw your hands up, you little bitch. I got that, I'll fuck you, don't shoot me while you got the outlaw boxing. You was looking real weak, walking down the street. Now nigga 30 feet, know you wanna be. Pump seat, shoot a nigga the bed. The homies like fuck you. This you the only scared fuck. And that time, fuck call out there. Now down around the way you get no respect. Nigga like that outlaw, nigga played you out. You try to pick a tip, this I would've laid you out. Nigga I got it all different when these dogs come around. Watch back like bitches when I'm all wrong. They all clown, but yeah, they all something. You look like to have a gun and never played the one. You ain't a man, you wait. I don't want you to never forget. in these streets in the Vietnam. Doing your own work, my niggas, I love niggas, a small time cooks, a big time drug, without my own work. The only thing the niggas got left, I know that we ain't shit without our own work. Now I was born alone, so mother shit, and I got my own. Now I'm an outlaw nigga, I'll never die alone. Me and my niggas are so close, it's complicated. One nigga smoking and drinking, and yet we all faded. My nigga Edie had a son, we all happy, cause now that little rider gotta deal with 8 daddies. My niggas cry, we all cry, we all ride. Your last 5 dollar motherfuckers, they all die. This is my average. Crack killing the rap, feeling like the best. Who wanna see me in HD? Fuck with G. I'm counting that motherfuckers, you'll never see me. Until the automatic straps, my roll, that's like no crack. Niggas thinking I gotta come back. Until I die, with me as a rock, my friend. My niggas get ready, shit, niggas I love, this is small time. Big time, it's my own war. Don't really niggas drop that. I love my niggas. Like the first penny, my automatic beat get rich. So it's time to beat one shit. It's not a bunch of niggas to take a hit. If you black love me as a broke nigga, think I'm a chicken, don't forgive me if I smoke it. I let my feet now the trap. The focus from the back and get my people 6 laps. California's feeling like ride. Switch, don't make it out. Yo, niggas thought I wasn't coming back. So all the videos is kinda hot, get this shit enough. Now let's go to another spot, back in the phone to a liquor store. I told you, so on 120, let's keep the code. Girl, I don't see, I know I know bitch, and he make them up. So in the nigga, it's right, that's the next one. Pass it off some light, now here's what you gotta do. And if you're left lane to make them look the fucking hero. That's why I like niggas wonder why. I got time to take that, let me see you make the shot. Black bar, hair, I need it to your shit. Going all this in the pit, and then you see it, and niggas still so I throw that down. You can bring your troop, but we remain true, motherfucker still. Niggas wonder why. You can bring your troop, but we remain true, motherfucker still. I'm tight. Passion, been long jet, but I'ma keep them by attraction in a strong way. Somebody is banging, baby, I love it when it close. I'm a kid, yeah, you can let me out. What kind of confidence? You're sick that I'm a nigga, that ain't fuck with it. what? Positions on the hips like a rock. Ironic cause I'm somewhat psychotic. I'm hitting switches on bitches like I'm the fix when I drop small and it's something I ain't written till the show's over. Cause I'm a rock demon. I'm probably getting freaking like you get a problem me. Cause it up to me. And that's it. About the niggas play the captain to ace. Lord, it's you destroy your body. What's the other still pushing this around? No, if you won't understand the way the game so you're lame, so I gotta hit you with the high facts. When some release some make you niggas top that. They gon' shoot you, beat it. They never when you do what's the minute take. Now everybody you fuck what's the wrong with us? You can tell me how you fuck. What a nigga say. It's the one kind of call. What a nigga say. Raised as a kid, tell you I got the sweet one, I get a bullet teeth. Cause I took from the beat, but what's a team anytime? Mobile phone style, the game moves, I'm with the major mindset. More from teeth from the tech. Only stay alive, I see views in my eyes. Before I die, I'm like a ball, with a couple more. And then chillin', fade them all, these taxes got me listen, like you know you. But I'm a mash, I can peel out. I'm only put this with me, people fucking steal out. Yeah, nigga, it's some new shit, so better get up on it. When you see me, tell a nigga I keep rolling. I keep rolling. I keep rolling. How does it feel? Coming home as a weekend, cash value, the nigga last